We will start by placing the boards on the wall, ensuring that the joints between them align with the wall's structure profile, thus ensuring they will be properly secured. To ensure the boards are well secured, we will use metal washers. We will place them with a spacing of 16 inches horizontally and 12 inches vertically, aligning them with the wooden profile of the structure. To seal the joint between the board panels, we will use the WS band, a water stop band that will help us reinforce the joint and will be applied with the help of adhesive cement. To finish with the placement of the boards, we will cover the metal washers with WS sealant to create a smooth surface.